sunshine. Get ready, it's gonna get silly. What two things can't Wish Bear have for breakfast?
Don't know.
Lunch and dinner. And it's sunshine. This is one of my favorites. Why was the spider always on the computer screen? It was looking for a website. What's more fun than laughing? This one's really funny. What yellow has two legs and flies over the rainbow? Me, Sunshine Bear on a trampoline. What's more fun than laughing? Get ready, it's gonna get silly. What do little dogs eat at the movie theater? Popcorn. And it's sunshine. This is one of my favorites. What two things can't Wish Bear have for breakfast? Lunch and dinner.
Ohana means family. Oh. Oh. Will you be Stitches, Ohana? Ohana means family. Will you be Stitches, Ohana? Hello? Ohana means